we will we will start the architecture of the ELPC 2148. ELPC 2148 is the single chip 16-bit or the 32-bit microcontroller up to 512 kilobyte flash with the ISP and IAP USB 2.0 full speed device and the 10-bit ADC and the DAC resolutions. The LPC 2148 microcontrollers are based on the 16-bit or the 32-bit ARM7 TDMIS CPU with a real-time emulation and the embedded trains support that combine the microcontroller with embedded high-speed flash memory ranging from the 32 kilobyte to the 512 kilobyte. A 128-bit wide memory interface and the unique accelerator architecture enable to the 32-bit code execution at the maximum clock rate. For the critical code size application, the alternative 16-bit thumb mode reduce the code by the more than 30% with the minimum performance pendently. Due to their size and the low power consumption, LPC 2148 is the ideal by the application where the minimization of the key is requirement and such as the access control and the point of the sale serial communication interface ranging from the USB that is the 2.0. This is the full speed device multiple USART, SPI, SSP, I2C bus and the on-chip SRAM is the 8 kilobyte up to the 40 kilobyte. Make this device is very suitable for the communication gateway and the protocol converter, soft modems, voice recognition and the low and end imaging, providing the both large buffer size and the high processing power. Various 32-bit timers, single and dual 10-bit ADC and the 10-bit DAC, PWM channel and the 45 fast GPIO lines with up the 9 edge or the level sensitive external interrupt pin make that this is the microcontroller suitable for the industrial control and the medical systems. That means the also used for the medical instrumentation. In the features of the LPC 2148 is it is the 16-bit or the 32-bit ARM TDMI microcontroller in a tiny LQFP64 package. It is 8 kilobyte to 14 kilobyte on-chip static RAM and the 32 kilobyte to 512 kilobyte on-chip flash memory. It is the 128-bit wide interface enable high-speed 60 MHz operation. In system programming in application, Viva on-chip bootloader software that is the single flash selector or the full chip arrays in the 400 millisecond and the programming to 56 bytes in the 1 millisecond. That means the embedded RT and the embedded trace interface offer real-time debugging with the on-chip real monitor software and the high-speed tracing instruction execution. USB 2.0 is the full-speed complement device controller with the 2 kilobyte endpoint RAM. In addition, LPC 2148 provides the 8 kilobyte on-chip RAM accessible to the USB by DMA or 1 or 2 10-bit ADC provides a total 6 or 14 analog pins with the conversion times as a 2.44 microsecond per channel. Single 10-bit DAC provides the variable analog output only. Two 32-bit timers, external counters and the PWM units and the watchdog. Low power real-time clock with the that means the RTC with independent power and the 32 kilobytes clock input. That means the multiple serials interface including 2 USART First one is the too fast I2 bus, and the second one is the SPI and SSP with the buffering and the variable data capabilities. Vectored interrupt control with the configurable priorities and the vector address. Up to the 45 of the 5-hole tolerant fast journal purpose input output pins in a tiny package. Up to the 21 external interrupt pins are available. 60 MHz maximum CPU clock available from the programmable on-chip PLL with the settling time 100 microsecond. In that the on-chip integrated oscillator operates with the external crystals from the 1 MHz to the 25 MHz. Power saving modes include the ideal and the power down. Individual enable or the disable of the peripheral function as well as the peripheral clock scaling for the additional power optimization. The processor wake up from the power down mode and via the external interrupt or the BOD. Signal power supply chip with the POR and the BOD circuits. That means the CPU operating voltage range is the 3.0 volt to the 3.6 volt with the 5 volt tolerant input output pads. In that the LPC 2148 is the FBD64 package name, and that the plastic low profile quad flat the package. In that the 64 body and the 10 into 10 into 1.4 mm it is the SOT 3142 version. That means the 2148 it is the flash is the 512 kilobyte, RAM is the 32 kilobyte plus 8 kilobyte, also shared with the USB DMA. Endpoint of the USB RAM is the 2 kilobyte. ADC channel is the 2 ADC and the 14 channel. DAC is the 1 and the temperature range is the -40 to the +85. The next lecture we will see the pin configuration of the LPC 2148.